The Solus comes with a rooftop ventilation fan that includes a rain cover. The vent fan is here above the main bed in the rear of the coach. The controls for the fan are here in the corner. There's a main power switch. It will cause the fan to turn on and the cover to automatically raise. The up and down arrows are used to control the fan speed. Pressing the off button closes the rain cover and shuts off the fan. Third button, labeled auto, when turned on, illuminates the green light. And now, if the temperature inside the coach reaches 78 degrees, the vent will automatically open and the fan will turn on. Pressing the power button disables the auto feature. When using your vent fan, the coach master power switch needs to be on. And it's also a nice idea to open one of the windows towards the forward end of the coach to draw air through to completely vent the vehicle.